Election, the brief facts that I'll be discussing only to start with are as follows. ECP, in fact, I'll start by saying that PTI held its elections on 8th of June 2022. Your Lordship may call them the first election. And ECP vide its order dated 23rd of October 23 directed that elections be held within 90 days. They said these elections are void and you should hold new elections in 20 days. Why they said that may not be relevant to this case, but I'll briefly inform the court. They said this because, according to them, the council that had made the amendment under which the elections were held, the council was not valid. It was not functional, according to them.
What do you mean by council?
The executive council of the PTI.
PTI.
So we had 20 days, and at the same time, Your Lordship remembers, round about that time, Your Lordship had decided that the elections will be held on 8th of February.
When was that?
Through a judgment that Your Lordship.
What was the date?
I'll just find out the date. I'll just find out the date. And so there was time constraint. We had 20 days, and we were very scared, I may add, that if we don't hold the elections, then Election Commission of Pakistan may take action against the party and keep it out of the politics and the elections. So we decided that while we will be challenging the vires of that order, we should also comply. And so, Your Lordship, we held the elections, the second intra-party elections on 2nd of October 2023.
2nd of October or December?
2nd of December, sorry. 2nd of December. These elections, Your Lordship, were called in question. We filed the forms, 65, which is the requirement. We filed all the documents. But then 14 persons who alleged that they were members filed applications before the Election Commission. And in those applications, they said that these elections should be declared void and there should be re-election. This was their prayer. There should be re-election.
Complaints are on record?
They are on record. Your Lordship, the ECP also raised simultaneously some technical points. These technical points related to dates, signatures, forms. That the signature is not right, please put a signature here. The date is not right, please put a date there. A notice was served on us that please come in. There's a hearing on the basis of these 14 applications.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।